Surprise, master designers! It's the holidays! It's Christmas has finally arrived! Tonight, we're going to be doing a special unboxing review on the Shadow Rider Calyrex V. I'm right in front of my special art desk, and look at all the characters that I've come up with, coming soon and recently watched. And tonight, Shadow Rider Calyrex is going to be my next step in unlocking the fame and power. And this is one of my favorite characters. If you've already seen me draw Shadow Rider Calyrex in one of my episodes. Here we have my dog Cabo with me, and say hi, buddy. Alright, now let's get started. Let's get started.
You don't have, it's not as simple as, door A or door B. It's not as simple as that. Because all these people that you bring into your world of what you need, it's like, that's what it's like. But,
alright, let's see what we got this time. You've seen my other last unboxing character. Unboxing view. Last time I got Pikachu. Now this one's one of my favorites. I'm gonna put this in my deck. You wait here.
and then the bus comes and takes them to the basement, and this and this and this. Right, it gets, and then you're
Got quite a lot, actually.
which is you decide who, what, whatever. And he was telling me that, like, for instance, it's not that easy to access people to help because nobody wants to work with them. I said they can't even get people. There's so much people that are stuck home because nobody can get somebody.
There we go.
Whatever. And here's the other thing, is that not everyone is qualified to work with someone who needs X, Y, Z.
Yeah.
And,
That's odd.
so, because they were asking me about file
Oh, here it
schedule.
is.
What's your title? Because I have
I'm
to
a
look it
behavior
up.
interventionist.
Yeah. So, when I said the word behavior,
Here's the
I had
extreme
to
card.
clarify
It's
the
humongous.
whole scenario, what
Alright.
happened with file.
The deck comes with
Because
4
they
cards.
take it as a
Darkness
behavior,
Ablaze, Rebel
and
Clash,
that's
and
just
Chilling
a
Rain.
purpose as
Let's start
someone
with Darkness Ablaze.
only for people that have violence or have hurt themselves, but that's how they're saying it, because I had to
funny.
like clarify that, like,
Please be something
he's
new
a sweetheart,
and rare.
son.
Carablast,
I have not
Sinistea,
met a
Toxel,
yet
Bunnelby,
that is
Wimpod,
like
Poltergeist.
or, you know,
But they're, or,
There's
you know,
I mean, I'm not saying that they're not out there,
right.
but it's how much you care with the child. and
Marichi,
how- I have not
Leon,
met that
Sincere,
Anyways, I.
Rose's Tower,
Anyways, here's the other
Bust.
thing. They wanna see
Total
his
bust.
bedroom. He doesn't like sleeping in the bedroom.
Why do they want to
I don't know, they wanna see his bedroom, so I told Chris, he's gonna get this shit
It's
out.
telling, that's
But,
It's really
the
weird.
bedroom is telling.
Seeing a card in the back.
Look, I went into a young man's
what
room.
do you mean,
This
tell her, this is,
Barboach,
Kyle likes this window.
Arrokuda,
this is the room he's
Stubble,
facing. This is the
Low
room he's
Tag,
facing.
Rowlet,
But the thing is,
Ice
they
Cube,
wanted to see.
Butterfree, Energy, Duckblade, Heracross,
They wanted to see
Bucket.
his
That's it.
bedroom.
Now for the last 2. I hope I get something rare.
So they said that he prefers to be out here and then I showed him downstairs because he wanted to know where he does some of his stuff. Don't forget, I took down a lot of stuff that's in this house.
Yeah, but still, they can get a feeling just by like watching him.
Well, they're gonna meet him over the holiday. Or the
Here we
person's
got
gonna-
Galarian Yamask,
They're gonna see
Snorunt,
very
Bounce Sweet,
intelligent,
Kafoo,
Right, but
Inkay,
you don't want to
Lapras,
see too much.
Zebstrika,
That's the problem.
Drizzile.
So,
That's all.
I'm just-
Now for the
I'm
far
burned out.
parts.
I was up
Hope I
all
get a
night.
jackpot.
had panic
Farfetch'd,
anxiety from this,
Furfrou,
and it just continues,
Venipede,
and now this
Spiel,
continues. And again, they didn't have an updated IE kit,
Crap Brawler,
so.
Sneasel, Agron,
I just sent it again.
Energy,
Will you have the
and
CC meeting
that's
though?
all.
I think Miss Carol does it
Whirlipede.
right there, doesn't she?
No.
Well,
Who's Miss Carol?
She's the
at least I
person
got the
that's
card
in-
that I
she-
desired.
You see her on his progress report.
Anyways, the holidays are coming up soon, and well, if you ask me, I'll be
Whatever changes need to be
Oh,
made.
collecting all sorts of
All the teachers
things for the end of the year. I'll be sure to fill in about which characters you want me to draw next, and well, I lost one of the SD cards I got from Mom because I was supposed to record something like my trip to Queens. Anyways, that's all you need to know for this episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to review and which toy review you want me to do next, and what kind of channel you have, what kind of episode you want me to be based on. Anyways, I'll Stegosaurus see you later, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing review.